Hello my friends, today I will show you a few more tags that will allow you to create the basic structure for your HTML file. Every HTML file should be started with HTML tag, okay? And this tag informs web browser that it's gonna interpret the HTML language. Later, you should create something what is called head, like we have a head on our shoulders, right? So this place is gonna be used to store the information, additional information about your website, okay? So like for example, title. So you can create a title for your website here. And you can put it between the opening and closing title tag. And here you can, for example, let's call it the funny images of cats, like that. And now we can open it. I save the file using the Ctrl+S shortcut, and as you can see here we have got what? Right now it's the file path to our file. But when I refresh the page, Ctrl+R, as you can see, funny images of cats. So yeah, we can now change the title of our website. This is pretty cool. So inside head, we put information like this. There will be more tags that will come here, but we'll talk about them later. Okay, this is the basic, most important one. We are creating some kind of template that we can use to create websites, right, that you can copy. Now we're gonna create next tag that is gonna be called body, okay? Like we have a body in our real life, when you look at humans, then you will notice that they have got there some kind of content, right, inside their bodies. And yes, this is the same situation here. We have got what? The main HTML side. Inside of it we have got head and body, which has got a content, right? Here goes content of your website, right? Now when I refresh it, as you can see, here we have got information. Here goes content of your website. And you are probably wondering why before, when we did something like this, why there is still content here when I said that we should create websites like this? That's a good question. And what is the answer? Web browsers are pretty intelligent, okay? They can interpret almost whatever you put here, right? You can put the title in the wrong place like this, and it's still gonna be here, right? Let's change it. As you can see, everything works fine. So why bother doing it like this? Firstly, let's be a good person to another coder of HTML files, okay? We just assume that when we look at the head tag, then we're gonna find information here about the website. Imagine that your code is pretty long, right? Like this. And some people would put title here and some people would put it, I know, like here, somewhere in the middle. That would be horrible for us, right? If things would be in weird different places. So this is some kind of standard, okay? So let's just do it this way. But if you still think that it's not enough for you, then imagine for a second then there are some kind of robots in Google, okay? And they are searching the internet and they are analyzing internet and they are analyzing sites like you create. And if you do things that are weird on your website, okay, like putting the title in weird place, and you do many mistakes like this, then they can just give you some kind of minus inside the ranking, okay? So you are creating the websites to make it visible, to make sure you have clients, to make people watch your content, right? So You probably do not want to have the not enough people looking at your website, right? So this is a good reason to create the content that looks good also behind the screen, right? Not only you do not need to care only what is here, but also what is in behind the scene. Okay, so yeah, you can put it here, that works fine, but no, this is better when you do it like this. And also there are new web browsers that, you know, can interpret things like that. Some older won't do it properly. You will also find scripts in future. You will learn how to create scripts and they will analyze your code by going into the tags. This is a pretty advanced topic, but just take in mind, create content like it should be created. So inside head, we put tags like title. Inside body, we put content. So we can, for example, bold the content here, right? Like this. Bam. As you can see, here goes content of your websites. There is one more thing that you should remember about standards. Well, you could create your HTML file this way, okay? So start it from the uppercase. It will work fine. You could, I know, change the O to O like here. It will still work fine even though we didn't close it the same way. So you can do many pretty weird things in your code. Please don't do it, okay? You can, but don't. Never start, I don't know, title from the uppercase, okay? Maybe this looks good for you, but the standard is to just, you know, start everything from the small case, okay? So don't use uppercase inside tag names. It's also good to know that whatever you put here in the title is shown here, and this is pretty important what you put here, because if you put here, I don't know, something like web page 1, this is not useful for you and it is not useful for the user, and it's also gonna be not useful for the robots that are analyzing internet. Okay, so when Google robot finds your website and he sees web page 1, he's like, what is that web page about? Okay, he will try to analyze the content here, but when he sees the title looking like this, he will not be 100% sure, and he will not give points to the things that you put here. Okay, so if you have a page about cats, it's a good idea to put here cats. If you have a website about bicycles, put the bicycle here. Don't, you know, repeat itself, right? That cats. That's not good, because then robot will be like, okay, he is repeating it. I think he might be cheating, right? This guy is just not cool. So we're gonna ban him. Okay, so just put here one word, maybe 2 times the word that is describing your web page properly. The content really should be here, and this is gonna improve your ranking in the Google. That's all in the lesson. Thank you very much.